All right, y'all, now we are here at Ethan's basketball game. Ram Reese's a little dirty. Time to get it. Big filthy from all the snow and all that good stuff, man. Now it's time to go in here and watch my dog get buckets. Let's go, E. E, activation, come on. Come on, man. Yeah, he definitely needs some assistance. He should be able to dunk that.
I don't think he knows his own strength yet.
Yeah. Come on, make a move. Break him down, yeah.
Oh.
Good job, E, that's okay. Play D now. Good job, E. I missed it too, I think I missed it, yeah I did. Yeah, he got the little layup, it's nice. Come on, E, let's go. Get money. Passing it too much, man. Buckets. Good job, E. Good job, boy, and one. Come on, E, let's go. Push it.
Oh.
That's what I say, go up. Ethan, go up next time. All the way. Good job, E. Come on, champ. Good shot, boy. Okay, E, I see you. Activation.
Okay, Ethan.
Good pass, E. Oh, damn. Embarrassing. Good job, E. Good job, boy. Come on, E. Oh, yeah. Good job, E. Good dimes, boy, E activated. That's a wrap right there, folks. Ethan's team got the dub, 54-34. Game over, man. Super proud of my dog. How'd it feel to have your first 20-point game tight? Felt good? Felt regular, huh? Felt like, you know, just normal, huh? Okay, champ. Proud of you, dog. Keep grinding and shining, champ. My brother said I should be recording the drive pick.
Actually, I should be recording. Go ahead, do your thing.
Okay.
Type illegal, but hey.
We got Queen with us, y'all. Look at her. She ferocious. DJ, your dog coming soon. We just got the phone with Jimmy.
Coming soon, hopefully.
So you about to be getting a girl kind of Corso. More than likely.
More than likely getting a girl, so I'm
He prefers a boy, but you know, yeah, it's gonna be good. Girl. Hit the brakes. And oh, pardon me, brother. I'm sorry. Go subscribe to Life of DNA.
Jones, Life of DNA, man. Go check me out, man.
Got to do that.
Subscribe, man.
And go follow him on Instagram. His Instagram link will be below in the description. Make sure y'all go ahead and give him a follow on there.
Go check out High Tech MotorSports. Talk to Bart. See what's going on with the Hellcat.
In the air and all that.
We gonna you restocking it, right? Putting it back all normal so you can be out in Cali with it.
I don't know, brother. What you think I should do?
I think you should take it back to normal and go out to Cali with it. So you don't get no tickets out there, because they ain't playing around.
Oh, we don't want no more Phoenix situations.
Not want no more. I got a video coming soon about that, so go check that out.
Oh,
yeah. By the time this posts, I'm doing a dash cam review from a cop's perspective, so check that out. Follow the link below. Go check out the video.
Okay, you want to just hold the camera and talk to him?
No, I'm good. I'm getting better and better every day.
We try to get better at doing that.
I feel like doing that right now, but
yeah.
I'm good with the camera. It's just with Snapchat, Instagram, and doing that rotation.
Just feel a little weird.
Yeah, just sitting there talking on the camera all day. It's crazy.
We are officially pulled up to 4-wheel parts, man. I got to drop the Ram Breezy off to get this thing inspected, make sure everything is up to par. Before I bring this thing to California, well, not necessarily California, let's just say the West Coast. I got more updates I'm gonna bring y'all real soon about the Ram Breezy and all my plans about going to California, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But we are officially here at 4-wheel parts, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, man. Make sure y'all come here and holler at my guy, John. All their info will be in the description below if you wanna come over and get something done, man. They do good work here, man. I like them and I trust them, man. So without further ado, let's get this video started. And guess who that is right there? My dog, Mr. Organik, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to his YouTube channel. ASAP. All his info will be in the description below as well. Look at him, think he know how to whip something. Okay, 3-0. You know, your whipping skills have got better, brother. I see you. With the arm out the window kind of day, man. That thing shining like new money.
Show that, brother.
With the red interior, is that red I see in there? Peekaboo.
Big bloody Mary.com.
What's happening with you, brother?
This great paper is super.
We got to get this thing all cleaned up, man. But first, we got to make sure everything is up to par, you know, with it, tire pressures, rotation on the tires, alignments, and all that.
I'm sitting on my Corvette.
I see you, brother. So we got to get ready to take the Ram Breezy to the West Coast. Well, I do. So it's about to be a haul.
Gotta get them locked and loaded.
Yeah, my brother and my mom going to ride with me. But like I said, I'll let y'all know more about that. Keep it real soon, man. What'd you say? Or you just doing ad-libs?
The lady go past you and say, is that
But no, man, yeah, we just gotta get this thing touched up, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel as you watch this video. Make sure you follow your boy on Instagram, Snapchat, and add your boy on Facebook too, man. I got the camera today, baby. He always asks me if I got my camera every time I come in. Oh, no camera? Came in the other day without a camera. He said, what? No camera? Not vlogging? Yeah, YouTuber lifestyle. What's up, John, baby? How you feeling, man? John with the crispy tats, man. Here goes the keys right here. So what are we all checking for before we bring this thing out of town?
So we're going to basically look over the suspension. We're going to rotate the tires. We're going to check a couple of the wires that pulled out. And
yep. Okay, and then the little light bar strip in the tailgate.
We're going to look at it and see what's going on.
My man. Appreciate you, baby.
Yeah, anytime.
For free every time. I love it, man. So now we are here at High Tech Motorsport. You got my guy Billy. What's up, baby? Well, we got the mufflers here, man. We're gonna get these to Bart to put back on the Hellcat. Put these joints over here with all the other Hellcat parts, man. They got all the whips in here right now getting worked on. This is actually really nice. 3-point this joint out. Yeah, that joint's heavy. Look at the paint. This was the kind of car in the hood where I grew up. If you had some top level with a good paint job, good body, you know what I mean? Had a beating sound system, some nice rims. So all the old school cars with the big rims, those where I come from in the demographic, that was the top level whips there.
That's your shit?
Yeah, this is mine right here. But I gotta take this off and put the stock one on there.
So what you gonna do with this?
And that's why I brought the mufflers.
So you gotta do this?
You know what? That's a good question, brother. I don't know.
Can somebody get it? Can somebody buy it?
Could type, huh?
Yeah.
Could do, yeah. Could do something like that. That's $2,000. You can't just throw that away. Should mama ever touch you anything?
Yeah, that's why you. A Scarface motherfucker money.
Oh, it did, huh?
I'll pop out. That Scarface motherfucker money.
Big Scarface. If I was to do something that old, I like the headlights that pop up. I still like those, bro.
What do pop up though?
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, they fold up. Oh, yeah. Them is them ones, ain't it? You're right. Okay. Yeah, because that don't make no sense why it would be like that.
Bad. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be a good little review, huh? Big Doug DeMiro review, huh? Why the Scarface Porsche costs X amount of dollars. But there goes the Hellcat, y'all, man. Things about to be done. Yeah, he could have went crazy. I think I should keep some drag radios on there, or you think I should put the regular tires back on there? What you think, Three?
Nobody got them tires. See what I do with my tires, bro.
I'm asking the wrong one. Comment below, let me know, G Squad. Do you think I should keep the drag radios on there? Or do you think I should put all 4 regular tires back on there? And those would be, I think, the Pirelli P0s summer tires, man. But I can't wait till the Hellcat done, man. Make sure you follow your boy on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, man. And make sure y'all follow my guy, Bart, on YouTube, man. Subscribe. High Tech Motorsport, baby. He did a lot of work to this, man. It's unfortunate that we ain't ever going to be able to bring this joint to the drag strip, though, huh, Three?
That's crazy.
I know. All that work for nothing.
Wow.
Yeah, man. But, you know, Bart say he busy. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. I need my Hellcat too, man. I love my Hellcat. You know what I mean? I'm paying for this joint every month. I'm gonna need that. You know what I'm saying? I do want to get y'all the racing content, but Bart said he probably wasn't gonna be able to get it done until maybe like June, July, August. Like, come on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Until really business slows down here, because you see all these cars. He's not just sitting here. Bart got to work on all these cars, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I don't want to hold up his money. Yeah, that's definitely Day-Day's Camaro, yep. Yeah, that thing is the Green Lantern. That thing nasty. You got the SRT Challenger right here. But yeah, man. So you know, I understand he got to get his money right now. You know, while the pot hot. You know, and right now in Minnesota, this is when everybody paying the money. It's not like LA where they just paying all year round and you can be picky and choosy. You got to get the money when you can, while you can. You know what I'm saying? And there goes the other Corvette right there. That's my dog Day-Day's, man. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. You see why I do this. All Instagram links will be below and all that good stuff, man. That thing is nasty. I love that green, bro. I did a review on it too. If y'all haven't watched that, you know, go check that joint out, man. But what you think though, Three, man?
Get that Hellcat right, man.
Got to, right?
Got to. Gotta take it with you.
Gotta take it to LA with me, bro.
Better to it.
I gotta take my rounds. You know, I gotta make my rounds, go dealerships and all that. I'm gonna need my Hellcat, man.
We'll be right.
Yeah. Come on, man.
It's like Batman without the Batmobile.
Yeah, I need the Hellcat, baby. Yeah. And the only thing is, though, all the modifications on the engine will still remain the same. So it'll still be super fast, bro. It just ain't going to be super loud no more. You know, so it's going to be stock exhaust with the cats on, you know, all that stuff, and the mufflers. But, you know, it's still going to sound beefier than, you know, it would normally just coming from the factory because it got all the extra modifications. And it still got the cold air intake, make the supercharger whine loud. So it still got that. It's just, I'm saying whatever to justify it. Right, you know what I mean?
I'm not going to shake my head nodding, but
yeah, I do wish it still could keep that, you know, attack exhaust on there. But, you know, it is what it is, man. But let's go up here and see Bart. Chop it up, Bart, man. We're going to get up out of here. I dropped the mufflers off back there. They're right next to the seats.
Perfect.
And that's pretty much all we need, right?
That's it. I got the rest. I think I got the cat someplace or whatever. I'll figure something out.
You the man, Bart. I ain't gonna hold you up too much today, man.
All right, Bart, throw the mule.
All right, Bart.
How did PJ turn out with his
Maserati?
Maserati thing, yeah.
Turned out cool.
Oh, good. He got rid of it?
Yep. I mean, we still don't know. This is a question mark behind it still. So we gotta wait and see. We'll know in a couple days.
They got an asterisk on it.
Yeah.
little dot asterisk holy question mark.
Yeah. And tell them to go subscribe to your YouTube channel too, Bart.
Come see me. I'm here all the time. I even had a call today from somebody that was very nice of him to call and say he likes you and likes me by default, but really like
You're a superstar.
Yeah,
You're a superstar. Give them your number if you want to, have people call in.
Yep, 763-712-9088. You can reach me there. I've only got so many phone lines, so if you leave a message, I will call you back. If you don't leave a message, I can't call you back.
What about Instagram? You got Instagram and Facebook.
Instagram, and I have no idea how I work with that. I got Mason doing that, and I've got Facebook. I'm never on that, so call me. I'm that kind of guy.
Yeah.
I'm a
Dinosaur.
Yeah.
It's all right, man.
Chocolate.
I'm out of here, baby. See you, Bart.
Guys have a good day.
I forgot Bart wants to tell you something, so go ahead.
Remember, Corey's stuff is all coming out because he's going to California where they're kind of crazy nuts about everything has to be quiet and stock. So everything that comes off of Corey's car that I own, all the gears, the lightweight stuff, the wheels, tires, lug nuts, the whole thing you saw me put on those 2 videos, I'll sell that all installed, dynoed up, pulley, cold air, the whole thing to give you what Corey had for 10 grand. That includes everything, all the labor, the whole gig.
Yep.
So for those of you guys out there screwing Corey, I still haven't charged him anything.
Yeah, facts. That's 100% facts, though. 100%. The rims, the drag radios, the rotors.
Yep.
What else did you do?
Gears.
Yep.
Front shocks for the V6, taking out a bunch of lightweight package stuff. The rear seat delete, the bar, the race seat if you want it. Some guys like it, some guys don't.
Right.
The whole list is on there. They can just look at. I've got everything's on a printed list.
Yep.
So you can see if you like it or not. But
Or they can just call you and talk to you about buying it.
I'm here a lot, so.
You always wanted to negotiate.
If you will negotiate, I'll give you $1.
Yep, there you go. So tell them to call you, Bart.
Yep, 763-712-9088. Just give me a call up. We'll talk it over if you want a 10 flat Hellcat, not take all the weight out of it or something in the 9s with what I do to it, the pulley and the tune and all the goodies. You just let me know if you want to go fast and stay straight. I got you covered.
So there y'all go, man. But go ahead and take your call, Bart.
They called me already.
All right, Bart. I know right now, right? See you, bro. All right, Scott.